This is how you're going to fix Payoneer account blocked or disabled. So resolving an account block requires persistent through the web interface. Now, the first thing that you can do is to identify the reason. What you're going to do is you're just going to check your registered email, including spam, for a notification from Payoneer explaining the specific reason for block. This letter usually details the required documents. Now, the second step is you can contact support via live chat. So you're going to log in if possible, and then you're going to navigate to the login or the support center on the Payoneer website. You're going to click on your name right here at the top right corner of your screen, and then from there you're going to just click on support center. Now, once you're on your support center, you're just going to use the live chat feature to start a case. You're going to clearly state your name, customer ID, and the issue, then politely but firmly request the next steps for unblocking the account. So from here, you're just going to click on got it. I'm going to just click on X, and then from there, you can just access the live chat if it is available. But if it's not, you can just click on this My Requests right here, and then you will be able to see your request. Or you can also just type in your problem right here. Like you can see this, why has my account been blocked? And then you will be able to see why it may be blocked. Now, if it does not answer your question, you just click on no, and then you can just click on or you can type in the exact problem that you want right here. So you're going to clearly set your name once again, customer ID, and the issue, and then again you're just going to politely but firmly request the next steps. Now you're going to hit on send feedback, but if you want an immediate answer, you can just click on contact us right here. Now, you're going to submit the requested documents. So you're going to fill in right here your selected language, your email, the topic, and then your question or comment right here. You can also attach files. But again, you can also access the live chat, which allows you to have a better communication with them live. Now you can just click on let's chat right here, and then you can start chatting. But take note of the chat working hours, which are Mondays to Fridays for 24 hours. Just make sure that you stay away from chatting on weekends, because they are most likely not going to reply. Now, if they ever ask for documents, you're going to gather and digitally upload the documents requested by the support agent. For example, your government ID, proof of address, invoices or contracts verifying your business activity. Now, this is mandatory for security checks. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix Payoneer account blocked or disabled. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.